Hi everyone, in this session we will discuss about a simple approach on exploiting business logic vulnerabilities. Our objective is to buy this leather jacket at a low price. To complete this lab we need Burp tool. I add this jacket into the cart and I am intercepting the communication. The good part of this is, the communication is having the details about the amount, so we can directly modify the amount here. Instead of directly forwarding, I right-click on this request and I am performing do intercept response to this request. By performing this, the response from the server will be intercept again in that Burp Suite tool, before reaching the application. We're getting a 302 error message, but let's confirm by visiting the application. See the amount code change now, it is only 13 cents you have to pay instead of $1,337. To make the payment we should have logged into the account. And finally we have made the payment.